Hello dear students, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we are starting chapter 14 and it is related to natural resources. Yes student, we are living on the earth and the earth is the unique planet that provides us this precious gift, means the natural resources. This word is self-explanatory student. With the help of this, you can learn the definition of this term student. Like natural means by nature. Resources means the source of supplying a material from reserves. So what are the natural resources? Natural resources are the varieties of the substances that are obtained from the nature or the earth is known as natural resources. As you know student that the earth is the unique planet and for the life supporting it has the different layers. And those different layers are known as lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So lithosphere is the rock containing top layer of the earth. Like what is it? It is the diagram of the earth. Now this top layer of the earth is known as crust. What we call it? Crust. And it is the life supporting layer of the earth student, because with the help of that this crust we get the different important minerals. Minerals are obtained from the crust student, and with this it also forms the soil, and with the help of the soil we grow the plants on it. So it is the top layer of the earth. And after that there is mantle. It is mantle. And after the mantle there is core. So this crust means the top layer of the earth in which the rocks, soils and the minerals are found. That particular layer of the earth is known as lithosphere. And it is the life supporting layer of the earth, because with the help of that what we get the soil and the important minerals. Second layer is student is known as hydrosphere. As you know that our earth 70% part is covered with water in the form of sea and ocean. But in this, only the 1% of water is potable or drinkable. Means it is the important layer of the earth that provides life supporting substance that is known as water. Water is provided with the help of hydrosphere. So hydrosphere also play very important role for the life student. Next is atmosphere. As we have discussed that the earth has the three different layers, crust, mantle and core. Like this student, around the earth a blanket like structure is found, and we can't observe that because it is found in gaseous form, and that air containing blanket is known as atmosphere. And this atmosphere is divided into different layers like the troposphere, stratosphere and thermosphere student. So about the atmosphere we will discuss in detail in the next segment. So it is also the life supporting sphere of the earth, and with the help of this the plants get the carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis, they also get the oxygen for the respiration, and all the animals get the oxygen with the help of atmosphere, and that atmosphere also provides oxygen for the combustion, especially for the burning student. Means we cook the food with the help of the burning, and that burning is possible only due to the presence of the atmosphere that provides oxygen to the burning substances. Next is biosphere, student, and we are the part of the biosphere. Biosphere means the living organism containing layer of the earth. And in this, biotic and the abiotic components are found, student. Means the layer of the earth that in which the biotic and abiotic components interact with each other. That particular layer is known as biosphere. And in the living organism, there are the plants, animals, microorganisms are found, protozoas are found, and those protozoas, microorganisms, or the plants and the animals, they interact with the abiotic components or with these three different layers of the earth, and with the help of that the life is possible. So they interact with each other, and abiotic components are the components that helps in the life sports students, and with the help of the life remains continue. Like we get or the living organisms get the oxygen, sunlight, water, air, with the help of these three important layers of the earth that are known as lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, student. So what is biosphere? Biosphere is the important layer of the earth in which the biotic and abiotic component interact with each other, and they also form one system, student. That system is known as ecosystem, and in your next class you will read about that. So it is about the natural resources. In the next segment we will discuss about the types of natural resources. So thank you very much and have a nice day.